Welcome to another video of Tear Down and Clean Razer Abyssus 2000 wired gaming mouse. I got this package quite some time back. The sender was pretty kind to say that it's fragile, getting the postman to handle it with care. Some bubble wrapping, protecting the whole thing. Whoa, from looks of it, it's a really long cable and the condition relatively clean. A nice touch by Razer there, making USB-A in green, their signature color. Some instructions on the back, optical sensor. The sides and the top are quite clean, not those like usual with a dirt and grime stuck in the crevices. So from my digging, right, there's only one screw hidden underneath the bottom of skates. So after removing the Phillips screw, right, you just need to persuade the whole top shell out. On the later part of the video, I'll show how to put it back. There's two clips on the top. You need to slide them in first before you can remove the top case. Okay, taking a closer look inside, more or less a simple board, and there's this power connector that lights up the Razer logo. Okay, the wheel is relatively clean to my surprise. A nice touch by Razer, molding the plastic parts for the wire, so it keeps in place even after maybe some heavy pulling. It doesn't break off so easily. And also the PCB board was hold down by these three plastic clips. So usually these clips I'll be extra careful not to break it, otherwise they'll be the board will be shaking underneath. So removing the PCB, all the chips ICs are below. A relatively simple board, not really dirty, but however we'll do a cleaning since we are in here. And this is the prisms that direct the laser. For switch wise, they're using the Omron 10 million switch. So from how I see this, relatively easy to use, can be a long-term mouse if you're not particular about the sensitivity and complexity. Okay, this is a connection for the Razer green light. Some molding on the plastic Project Sydney. What's it all about? Overall, quite a robust construction. Everything should be in place. So the top part can be removed, but we have no need to do it. Okay, using IPA to clean the bottom case, removing all the glue, some dirt. To be frank, there's not much cleaning over here. Then for the PCB board, we'll use a contact cleaner specific to brush out any scum. This solution dries out cleanly, so a lot of the times when after using IPA, the board is still shorted in some areas, right? I'll use this, and yeah, most of the time it works. Okay, assembly of the board, everything should go back in reverse. Making sure the 3 clips are aligned, then pushing it down. But I'll recommend you can put in the scroll wheel first before securing it down. I had to remove it and put in the scroll wheel, which is not shown in the video. For this connector, you won't go wrong because it can only go in one way. The more difficult part is connecting the top shell's wiring, because it's a tad too short. Don't be afraid that the plastic connector comes off together. So usually on the higher end mouse, right, they should have a diagram indicating which is ground and the live wire. So it took me a while to secure this, but in fact, right, there's 2 clips on top, so you need to insert the similar portions in first before pressing down the end. The clip should sit flush, and you know that it is in. So the last bit of the assembly will be the screw. Plugging it into the laptop to see if it's okay. So after a couple of seconds, the Razer light should start glowing. If you guys enjoyed the video, do hit the likes button. To be informed of upcoming videos, please smash the subs. Thank you for watching. Till the next one, this is Restore Refurb Works.